In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Accounting Self-Hosted, complete guide. We'll walk through the first-time onboarding you see when creating a new company, so you can get from a fresh install to a ready-to-use accounting workspace with confidence. When you open Accounting and create a new company, you'll be prompted to enter basic details. Type in your name, a working email you check regularly, the currency you use for your books, and your country. The email is important for notifications and password resets, and the base currency determines how your income and expenses are recorded. Choose the currency you'll primarily bill and report in, because changing a base currency later can be complex once you've started recording transactions. The country helps set defaults like date formats and regional tax behaviors. After entering those fields, click Save. This confirms your initial company profile and moves you to the next onboarding screen. Accounting will then ask for additional information: your tax number, the start of your financial year, your business address, a logo, and your country again for confirmation. You can skip this step if you're not ready. If you do fill it out now, use your official tax identifier exactly as it appears on your government records. For the financial year start, select the month and day your accounting period begins, which helps reporting and comparisons stay accurate. Adding a logo is optional but useful. It will appear on invoices and estimates, giving your documents a professional look. If anything here isn't finalized, skipping is perfectly fine. You can add or update these details later in settings. Next, continue with the brief setup questions Accounting presents. These are simple drop-down choices that help tailor the system to your needs. Select the options that best describe your situation and click Save. If you're unsure, pick the closest fit. The goal is to help Accounting suggest sensible defaults. Remember, these preferences aren't permanent. You can revisit them as your workflows evolve. Once you've saved your answers, Accounting will automatically set up your profile. Behind the scenes, it applies your chosen currency and region, aligns the financial year, and prepares your company space so you can begin working right away. At this point, your new company is created, your preferences are stored, and your environment is ready for day-to-day use. That's it. You've completed the initial setup. From here, you can confidently move on to your accounting tasks, knowing the foundation is in place and you can refine details anytime as your business grows.